My name is Sharon Onu-Njoku, reporting for Law FM 103.9, the station for knowledge and entertainment. We are live at the 2021 Annual Law Week program of the International Federation of Women Lawyers, FIDA Lagos branch.
So we do a lot, and we need support. We cannot do it alone. And that is why I'm thankful that we have a lot of senior lawyers who are here today. We are grateful that they have come so that they can see the work of FIDA and support the work of FIDA. We thank God for how far we have gone. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So what should we expect from today's event?
Yes, like I said, we're going to have a communique. We are going to have a communique, and at the end of the day, the world will hear about us. The world will know what we are actually talking about. And like I said, our children, they need our attention. They need quality time. We must prepare them for the future, because a future without the preparation of our children is a disaster waiting to happen.
But if we look at what is happening in the society today, we see that the rights of women and children are still being trampled upon. What exactly is the FIDA doing to improve on the protection of the rights of women and children?
Thank you very much. FIDA has been doing a lot. Like we explained when we just started, FIDA has branches in the 36 states of the Federation, including the Federal Capital Territory. And since all this while, as at 1964, that FIDA Nigeria was established, we have been engaged in pro bono services. Thus, our services are purely free. We carry out free legal services for the indigent and vulnerable members of the society, especially women and children. And FIDA has also been into legislative advocacy, because we are the ones to keep on pushing. We are the voice of the voiceless, to amplify our voice with respect to the issue of some legislation, the laws, so that we'll have good ones in place that can address all these problems.
And even feed. So is that how free is that education? I'm talking about real education, or just go to school and look at the walls of the classroom and then come back. So we have to be more realistic. We need to come down to the basics. We need to treat the African child as our own child. When I say our own child, I'm talking about every Nigerian child. Every African child is a child of Nigerians and Africans and must be treated equally. We must give them quality education. What's the sense of me being a president or a governor? My kids are schooling in America, and then the children of Nigeria do not even have a classroom to study. What are we talking about?
Well, the event that has just been concluded under the chairmanship of Tayo Boyese was quite a beautiful event, actually, and beneficial in so many ways, especially that the quality of the papers that were delivered and the discussions that took place thereafter. We are all better enlightened, actually, about the rights of children and what we can contribute to move the process forward. And it's gratifying that the children were part of the process, and they also had they had questions to ask, very enlightening and useful questions to ask. It's such a beautiful event that we have had today, put together by FIDA Lagos. I commend the organizers, really. It's been time well spent.